Hi, I'm Renee Despins, Realtor, back this week with a second tip for real estate people. Tip number 2, opportunity knocks. Yes, some people hear opportunity knocking and some people don't. I heard it. I got my start in Green Bay, Wisconsin because I heard about a developer who was expanding his business. And so I pitched the developer that if he added a real estate company to his construction and development corporations, that would be a big expansion for him. So he took me on, meaning he sponsored me and paid all my fees for the real estate license. Thus, I began my journey in Wisconsin at the Wisconsin School of Real Estate. It was a 1-year course. I was a new mother at the time. I was only 27. I did not know the real estate language, jargon, if you will. So it took me time to catch on. I actually failed the first time. Yeah, and every real estate program in the country allows you to fail and keep on going and persevere. And persevere I did. And persevere is a big name in real estate. I got my real estate license and got to work selling custom homes and beautiful apartment buildings and commercial spaces, and I learned a lot. I was the second woman only in the state of Wisconsin to have her own company. So there you go. So tip number 2, opportunity knocks. Will you hear it? If so, go for it.